Hey guys, before we get into this video, I don't know why the intro was zoomed in so close. Sorry about that. Back to my channel. This is the makeup look I'm going to be showing you guys for the day. It's my 10-minute makeup look. I do this makeup look every day when I actually have somewhere to go. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the color Warm Coconut that I'm using on the top of my eyebrows. So I'm just using this foundation to carve out the top of my eyebrows. My eyebrows are kind of thick, so it takes me a while, so I sped this portion of the video up a little bit. So in this portion, I'm lining the bottom of my eyebrows, and I didn't use the foundation on this one. I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Chestnut. It really highlights, so that's why I like to use this one on the bottom of my eyebrows instead of trying to do it towards the top where it's supposed to blend out and look natural. So now I'm just going to blend that all out with a flat brush, and I'm going to make sure that this is nice and blended out. Since I don't wear foundation, I have to make sure that it really blends flawlessly into my skin. So now I'm starting to blend the bottom concealer, and I'm also taking that and dragging it onto my eyelid because I'm also going to use that as a base for my eyeshadows later in the look. So now I'm taking the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in deep brown and going back in and filling in any spots that I missed, also brushing those hairs into place. And then I'm going back in and blending some more because you can never blend too much. And then I'm also taking that same LA Girl concealer and putting it on my trouble spots. I have a few bumps, so I'm just going to go ahead and conceal those with that. So now I'm just taking a flat top brush and blending that all in. I'm using this color right here called Evolve from the Morphe Dare to Create palette and blending that all into my crease with a fluffy blending brush. This next color is called Sculpt, also in the same palette, and I'm using a flat top brush and putting that on my eyelid. Okay, so this is the part that I dread because I can never get my two eyes to look the same. But I'm taking the NYX liquid eyeliner in the color black. It's also in the matte finish, and I'm trying to line my eyes. I'm getting better, y'all. See, I'm already knowing the other side not about to look the same, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do it. Okay, so I'm doing good so far, and this dang hair, that's about the 20th time it got my way this whole video, okay? But I'm lining, you know, doing good, doing real good, even turning the brush and everything. Ooh, right here. This is where I mess up. Well, you know what? Just keep on going. So the blush that I'm using is MAC's Raizin. That's what it's called. Raizin blush. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, that's what I'm using on my cheeks. Ooh, smile. Okay, so these are the lashes that I'm using that I'm going to apply off camera. These are my favorite lashes, y'all. If you know any good lash companies, please put them in the comments below because I need to find some new ones. I want to try the 25mm ones, so tag them. Okay, so now I'm using the Kiss lip liner in the color chocolate and lining my lips with that. And then after that, I'm taking the Morphe lip gloss in the color Freebird and putting that all in the center. And this is honestly my favorite lip combo. This is what I wear every day. If it's not this, then it's just a regular clear gloss. And just like that, this makeup look is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I had fun recording this. If you like this, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.